Hi there. In this video, we will see how you can add Facebook login to your login page while using authorizer. For that, you will need an authorizer instance first. So for the demo purpose, I have deployed one authorizer instance on Heroku and I have named it authorizer social login. We can check the app right now, and if we go to slash app page, we will see that Facebook login is not enabled. Now, in order to enable that, go to developers.facebook.com. Obviously, you will need one Facebook account and go to My Apps, create an app. Let's select none for now. Let's add a demo, add an email address, and you will see this page where what product you want to add. So we want to add Facebook login. So let's set that up. And we want to do it for web. We can give our website URL. Let's continue. Now they will give us this JavaScript SDK, but for now, let's go to settings. And in settings, we will have to add valid OAuth redirect URIs. So the valid OAuth redirect URI in case of authorizer instance will be /OAuth underscore callback /Facebook. We can get that information from our endpoints documentation. So you can see we have this OAuth callback with provider name. So let's copy our instance URL first, /OAuth callback /Facebook. This is the valid redirect URI. Now this URI is used when Facebook login is successful and you are redirected back to your application. So we will save these changes. Next, we need to configure the client ID and secret. So go to settings over here and the basic settings. You will see we have a app ID and app secret over here. We need to configure these variables in authorizer instance. So in case of Heroku, you can configure this by going to settings, reveal configuration variables, and you can set the environment variables over here. If you are not using Heroku, you can set the environment variables on your instance or however it is supported. So let's go to authorizer documentation and environment variables documentation. Here you will see that in order to enable Facebook login, we will have to set up Facebook client ID. The client ID will become our app ID from Facebook portal. So let's copy paste that value. Next, we will need Facebook client secret. So that will become our app secret from Facebook portal. You can copy that. Don't worry, I'll be deleting this app soon, so you won't be able to use the same secrets. Once saved, it will restart the instance, and if you again refresh this page, you will see now you have login with Facebook option over here. So let's just click on this and test it. Yes, continue as Lakhan. And there you go, you have enabled Facebook login on your authorizer instance. I hope this helps in configuring the Facebook login in your application. Thank you.